Maybe that's all we need. We can go to the park after dark, smoke that tumbleweed, and as the marijuana burn, we could take our turns, sing them dirty rap songs, stop and hit the bong like G-Jack Jones. Only song I know in my head.
So soon you up in your arms, too late to beg you. Handsome so I know it must be killing time. Unwillingly mine. Fate up against your will through the thick and thin. He will wait until you give yourself to him. In the starlit nights I saw you, so cruelly you kissed me. Your lips
I'm more impressed with you.